It's yours. Yeah, you can do it.
Is it mine?
Is that your shovel?
No. I know. That's my show.
I don't know who shovels whose. You gotta. There, he's gonna give you that one, Ben. Say thanks, Mom, for the new sandbox. Alex? Hey, give him a hug. Tell him you're sorry. That's right. That's better. What were you doing with your hands? You gonna wash your hands? You're doing what? It's an airplane, yeah. Say hi, plane. Tell them, say bye. They're going home. Yeah, they're going home. What happened? The shovel's gone? Where did the shovel go, Ben? There it is. I love it. Yeah, wash the shovel off in the water. Awa. Alex. Alex. What's the rules, Alex? No sand in the water.